this is Prime Opinion, and if you want to earn from this survey website, at least have a proxy. Go to proxy seller, link on the description. Go to ISP, I recommend ISP, and go purchase just one IP address. And for most cases, if you want a more strong proxy, just go for the residential proxy. You purchase that as a GB. And don't forget to use promo code online jobs too, all capital. Once you have your proxy ready, it's easy. I'll take you step by step on how to create an account on this one. So earn money by taking service in the US. So you see, I told you need a proxy, and then just you sign up, take service, get paid, and you can see that you can get paid by through PayPal, Revolut, bank transfers. So if you have a Pioneer and you've been given that in the US by the virtual bank, the US virtual bank, you can use that. But if you have a PayPal, but the PayPal will work. And yeah, so in this video, let me just take you through on how to sign up and create an account. If you haven't accessed the free class, these are the next things that will be added throughout the week. Instagram blueprint, blog article writing, free ChatGPT prompts. You can use that to make money online. And ebook writing, I'll show you how to create an ebook, sell it on some other platforms, and short automation. So I'll give you a blueprint on how you can create trending shorts and then grow an audience, monetize it, and get paid. So make sure to access our free class. Just head over to our website and go to groups, and then you can join the group and access the free class. Now let's just begin right away. Go to login or sign up, and then we can click we can paste our email address. Once we've pasted our email address, just click continue, and then after that we're gonna choose our password. Click on accept and then continue. Then they will say check for a confirmation message. Once you've already confirmed your email address, you can see that which device do you own. You can either click all, but I do recommend just clicking all of them and then save selection. And then after that, you can see that you got a $1 bonus. So you just get welcome bonus. So you can see that the balance has been updated. Now my balance is 1 USD. And here are the games and the survey. You can see that featured survey, you can earn up to 0.32 USD, and you can take it. And to unlock other survey, you can just first take this. You can take the first survey. If you do it well, this other service will be opened, and you can see that there are other more that they even pay $2. So yeah, this is very good for a beginner, and you can do it at your home. And most of this survey website, they may require you to use phone most of the time. So yeah, you can do it on your phone, and I'll show you how to connect a proxy on your phone, so that whenever, let's say, you're using a proxy, you use it also on your phone. Yeah, now that's you can see it's very easy to do all the process and how to create an account, and then the information on the account. So on the account settings, you can see that it shows that it's in the US. Current time is 3:40 on the US time. Okay, so you just have to fill out every other things, achievement and the account settings. So set a username. If you want to change the time zone, change email, and then a language, change password. And then after that, that's how to create a Prime Opinion account. And if you want to claim the reward. Let's say you want to make a withdrawal, you just click on claim reward, and then you'll see that you can either choose from PayPal, but you can see until you earn $5, you can be able to unlock this one and claim the $5 reward. If you have already earned up to $100, you can claim this reward. So that's for PayPal, same as on Revolut, and you can view other more. On bank transfer, the same thing. I think so. On Cash App, the same thing, but plus 0.25 USD service fee. So this one, they will charge you for the service fee. And there are so many things. The gift cards, you can use it on either this for shopping, gaming, food. Yeah, the prepaid cards. So you can choose from this list. I hope you find this video helpful. Wait for the next video, and we keep on educating each other.